Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Motorola smartphone. You need to start by accessing calendar. After that, click on the month above over here and then pick a date by tapping on the one that you wish to set up. I will go with this one. Then you can create your event by tapping over here or by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on event option. Either way, now you can finally adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title to it. You can also pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature by selecting this gray switcher next to all day. Now click on events, pick your email address. I will go with this one from family section. Tap on does not repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, you can click on the same option and tap on does not repeat. Now you can add people, videos, and even add location. From here, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address of your event and click on the correct result. Now set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before it, change color, take notes, and even add attachments. When you're ready, choose save at the top right corner, and after that, as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it and edit it by choosing this pen icon at the top right corner. Now you can make your changes and discard them by choosing top left corner and tapping on discard, or save them by clicking on save at the top right one. In order to get rid of your event completely, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner next to pen icon. Then click on delete option at the top and confirm your choice in this delete this event pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!